All right, Leroy, let's set up a template that you can use that's going to come up with your sheet metal defaults every time you want to use it. The first thing we need to do is make a copy of your original sheet metal template because you do not want to lose that. Okay, so let's go ahead into your application menu. We're going to create from the list of templates. And we're going to go ahead and what we're going to copy first is your standard template. Okay? There's a reason for doing this because the way that we're going to get something to show up by default is we're going to call it the standard template. So let's go ahead and rename this template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a save as, but I'm going to save the copy as a template. And I'm going to call it the original standard. All right, I just happen to have one in there because I always do this, but now we have it. So if we go to take a look at our templates, you're going to see that we have the standard part and we have the original standard part. So now what we want to do is we want to open up the sheet metal. So now you can go in, set any of the defaults that you want. Maybe you want to change your sheet metal defaults to the way that you normally used it. Perhaps you want to go ahead and set the material of the sheet metal that you're going to be using. Let's just go ahead. Sorry about that. Anyway, once you get that the way that you want it and you set your settings, maybe you have some specific dimensions that you want to set, go ahead and save this one as a template. We'll save this copy as a template, but this time we're going to call it standard. And yes, we do want to replace it. So now, whenever I'm going to go ahead and close all of this out, and whenever I go to start a new part, or let me just start it from new file here. Hang on, I just wanted it to come up as a new part. There we go. Now when I start new part, your sheet metal stuff comes up automatically. I think that should work for you. I'm going to go ahead and send you the codes and stuff just in case you want to dabble with that, but I really think this might be the way that you want to go. Have a good day.